Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, we are from Group 5 from to ISA 3. Uh, Today, we are going to presentate about our second project, and it's about restaurant cashier system as implementation of Python program. This is the member of the group. There is Muhammad Revansyah, Rafly Rachman, and me, Rafaiz Ghazian Lusaid. The contents that we will talk is the first, background. What is project programming code about? The second is introduction project, the system analysis, the program code, and the flowchart. The third will be the result of the program or the code output. Introduction. What is project programming code about? In this project, we will talk about our Python program, a project about restaurant cashier system. In this project, we make a program that resembles everyday restaurant menu with the base program Python. In this program, we use def function, text file, if-else function. In this application, we can see the restaurant's menu, price, total ordered item, total ordered price, the change, and the noted of payment. Restaurant cashier system is based on the concept of payment in exchange for the food or service they enjoy. The system has an admin and user section. Before stepping into the main system, an admin has to pass through the input, the food system, to get access.
Hello everyone, introduce me Muhammad Revansyah. This time I am the one of those group 5 members. Will explain or present a project in code programming. In this project we take the topic namely the restaurant cashier system as an implementation of programming of Python. In this section we can see that with this Python programming we choose to create a sum of def, which is the functions to simplify programming works. In this code, there are several the text file. There are open title and the note of payment and entitled for the display in the output. So, in this project, we choose a restaurant cashier system where the program can display the food menu, and then the program can do also a payment and a total of amount of payment by using if else, and show the note of payment by using, of course, with a text file. So as you can see, for the input the variable we use the global keyword. So in Python, global keyword allows you to modify the variable using variable outside of the current scope. A variable declared outside of the function or in global scope is known as a global variable. This means that global variable can be accessed or allows you inside or outside of the functions. And this is the text file of note of amount of payment. This is the note of payment that we choose to buy. Next, in these sections, I will show you the flowchart of the previous code program. Flowchart is diagram that shows step-by-step progression through a procedure or system, especially using a connecting lines and set of conventional symbols. And the next thing is that there are 10 rhombus symbols, which means it is a decision, and there are 10 case statement in using the if else in the previous program to determine the food and drink menu by user.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rafly Rachman, and in this section, I will show you the result of the program code as seen from the code that we just showed you before. Firstly, the user will be shown the logo of the restaurant, and then there will be shown the name of the restaurant, the address, and other additional information. They will then be prompted to input something in order to continue. In this instance, they will be given the option to type in 1, the number 1, to continue. Once they type in the number 1, they will be given the list of food and the price they need to afford in order to pay. At the bottom of the menu, they will be given two choices for the input field at the bottom. In this instance, if they input the number 1, they will be taken to the next screen in which they will choose the food or drinks that they will be ordering. The other option, if they type in the number 2, it will exit and it will show them this screen at the bottom here. Once they type in the number 1, they will be given an option to write the food or drink that they would like to order, and the code before will be showing the price that they need to pay, the amount of orders that they put in, the total amount that they have to pay, how much they will be paying, and the change that they get. Once that's done, this time they will be given another input field, where this time they'll be shown to type in the letter Y or N being to exit the menu, prompting the same exit response from the previous screen, or they could type in the letter Y, which will continue. And then it will show a receipt showing the same information from the previous screen. And that's it. Thank you very much for paying attention to our presentation. We hope you have gained knowledge. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.